Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we have a brand new Elves box from Sophie and Toffee. So this is a subscription box that I subscribe to, and every month they send me a box full of supplies to make beautiful resin artwork. So this is the box for January 2020. Alright, here we go. And this box is all about vending machines. Oh my goodness, look at this. That is so cool. So in here, we have the October Creative Contest winners. And oh my goodness, look at this. Wow, this is amazing. So here are the items that comes in this box. We have the regular box and also the premium box where you get more items. The box that I get is the premium, so we're going to get all these extra items too. So over here are all the premium items. On this page, we have the regular items. More regular items, and some instructions. So here we get to make two different vending machines. So this first item here is the transparent shaker film. This is the film that you put on top of your shakers to seal up the front. Here we have a sheet of stickers. I think this is for the vending machines. Here is a sheet of animal stickers. Oh, these are nail stickers. They're so cute. Look at a panda bear. We got some colorful beads for our vending machines, some metal embellishments. Oh, look at this. We have beads, stars in different colors. So we have the rose gold, silver, and gold. And here's hearts and triangles and circles. We have some resin. This is 2-part resin, 50 grams of each part. Next, we have a bag of sweets and food polymer clay mix. This one is part of the premium add-ons. This is actually a pretty big bag. Okay, let's get to our molds. Okay, so this one is actually one of the premium ones. This one is a plushies clear mold. Look at that. You can make little plushies. We have a bear, a bunny, and a cat. We also have another set of molds for the vending machine. This one is for the regular box, and we got some chips and drinks. Here is one of our big molds. This is a gashapon machine, or I just call it a toy vending machine. So these are actually really big. I think this one is the drink vending machine. Oh, take a look at this. This is super cool. We got more molds. This one is a toy capsule one. Oh, so this is to make those little capsule balls. Oh, how neat. So these three are UV resins and they are part of the premium box. So we got a royal blue, black, and apple green. And finally, we got 2 bottles of dye. This is part of the regular box. We got violet and rose. So let's go ahead and make a plushy toy vending machine. I'm taking the UV resin in royal blue and filling in this little circle. Then we'll use black to fill in the dial. I'm going to cure it using a UV lamp. Next, we're going to add some stickers. I have a set of these really cute purple and white cats. To make sure they don't float away, we're going to take clear UV resin and apply a thin layer in the middle section here. And then we'll add a few stickers and cure it with the UV light. As you can see here, the stickers are not moving anywhere. Now we're going to mix 40 grams of epoxy resin and mix it well. Then we're going to split the resin into 3 cups. Add crystal white to one, pink to the next one, and purple to the third one. Then we're going to pour all 3 colors into the mold. We're going to use a craft stick to mix the colors up a bit. and then we're going to wait a day for it to cure. Now let's take the plushy mold and fill it with the leftover resin. We're going to darken the colors with the new pigments that we got in our kit. Alright everyone, so it's been a day. Let's go ahead and take out our little pieces and see what it looked like. So here are the plushies. Oh my gosh, here's the bear. Here's the rabbit. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And here's the cat. The cat has this long skinny tail. Okay, so we got 3 plushies, and here is our vending machine. So let's go ahead and take it out. So I did wait a full 24 hours just because if we did it any sooner, this is kind of hard to remove and we might risk bending or warping the resin. And here it is. Oh my goodness, look at this. So the colors mix really well. You can see the purple and a little bit of the white, but all the pink is gone. So we have our stickers and they look really good. The dial is black, nice and shiny. Next, let's fill up the shaker. We're going to add a little bit of UV resin all the way around the box here. And then add our shaker film on top. To make the window more sturdy, we're going to add a thin layer of UV resin over the shaker film. Once we're done, we're going to cure it with UV light. So now on the top here, I want to add our little plushies. So we're going to use a little bit more UV resin. Add our plushies. Ooh, I don't want it to slide off. And I'm going to cure it under the light. Alright, this is looking super cute. So there's one more thing I wanted to do. I'm not really happy with this blue circle. I'm not really sure what it's meant for, but I think the color just doesn't go with the color scheme on the rest of the vending machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a tiny little gem. I have a little purple gem here that I made from some leftover resin. So sometimes when I have leftover resin, I'll pour them onto a mold so I can use it for something else. So I'm just going to put it right over the blue. This will help mask it a little bit. Alright everyone, and here we have it. This is our little plushie vending machine. Isn't it cute? I really love how the stickers turned out down here. They're so cute. And in here, of course, we have our little balls. And up here we have the 3 little plushies that you can find inside the little capsules. Alright everyone, so I had so much fun with this month's box. The vending machines are so cute and I can't wait to make this one for the snacks and drinks. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye!